Bloody hell, Gav, you've got old, mate. Look at the grey hair. No, I'm painting. Painting next door on the first house that we started. Top floor done. Now moving down to the middle floor. That beautiful plastering. And let me show you how it's going next door. Two. Window. Not that one. That one is going in. So that'll be finished off next week, so we can take down the little shutter in here. Floor's been dug out, ready for here, ready for the concrete. As you can see, all the way through it's been dug out, and we've started putting our drains in. So through here, because obviously that's going to continue all the way through, so we're going to have a inspection hatch there. That's how much we've got to dig out, and then we've got a water drain going all the way through to outside. This is where our kitchen sink's going to be, and this is where our bathroom is going to be in this corner here. So we're going to come in and have a hallway into the bathroom, and if we turn around, this area here is going to be the kitchen. This is going to stay open, and then we're going to have a lounge, obviously block wall there, and the bedroom over that side. So that's what we've been up to. So I'm really pleased with the progress. I'm guessing another maybe 2 weeks of building work, 2-3 weeks of building work, and then we can start obviously stud work, insulating, first fix electrics, first fix plumbing. So yeah, so come back next week and I'll obviously keep you updated. Next door has been going well. If you saw in the previous video, the flooring is down on the top floor. The second floor is being painted, so hopefully get the flooring down on that one. I've ordered 2 staircases for that because it's obviously 3-story. So yeah, so keep subscribing, guys, keep liking, and like I say, if you want longer videos or shorter videos, let me know. Yeah, and if I can give you some advice on something, don't know everything, but if I can help you out on something, yeah, let me know. Right, have a good week, people.